I don't know what the heck is going on, but this wind has come up out of nowhere. That means we're going to move fast. You asked for it, I'm going to do it. Howdy ho friends, we're going to do the E.D.C. Everyday Carry Pack Dump 2023. We're going to start off with my carry case. I have no clue the maker or model of this. It ended up in the back of my van after one of the meetups, and I've been using it ever since. It's got several compartments. Two in the front. We got the sides. It comes with a strap for your hand carry, a shoulder strap, and then of course I put the old carabiner here on the side of it. On the back here we've got a dog bowl for Peanut, just in case. On this side, yes, I still have an Nalgene water bottle, and the cool thing is if you look on the inside, I have a Life Straw filter, along with you can take the lid off the top. I still recommend carrying the Sawyer Squeeze just in case, which I think I took out of this one because I'm going into the winter months. Anyway, it's another story. And on this side, we have my cook kit in a Ziploc bag, of course. That back there. This one's actually brand new, but I did break the green tab off the lid, put on a key ring. Inside this little guy, we have a Jetboil fuel cell. Heads up, nothing in this video I'm talking about is sponsored, and I am not recommending any of these products. It's best you go out and do your own research. Okay, disclaimer over with. Inside the green bag, I just have a little cheap stove. Pretty sure I got that off of Amazon, along with some foil and of course a lighter. At the bottom of the cook set, I have a canister stand. This is basically to be put on the fuel cell in order. Should we get this to lock in the first time? Probably not. Oh wow, that'll never happen again. Anyway, put on the fuel cell to make it more stable for when you have the cook set on the top of it. The front section of my E.D.C. is where I carry all my work items and everyday use items. Okay, this little packet here, this microphone bag, is really nothing special. Just a bunch of cables, another lighter, adapters, and of course, a business card for my channel. I'm official now. I do need to get some new stickers, but that's coming down the road. All right, this next item is a love-hate relationship. The Through Night flashlight. It is bright as all heck. It does need a battery every couple. Hang on. There we go. Had to reset. Needs to have the battery changed out every couple of years. The reason I hate it is the way this button is designed right here. Let's bring over here so you can see it better. There's nothing blocking it, so if you put it in your pack, something just taps the darn thing, the light freaking comes on, runs down the battery, and this thing gets extremely hot. That's why I have a love-hate relationship with it. Yes, I've tried everything to make it stop doing that. All right, we've got one power brick. I've got a second power brick from Anki, a 12-volt adapter for something I have no clue why. A UV flashlight that obviously needs its batteries changed, but you know the obvious reasons for this. Don't need to mention them, but tic-tacs. Okay, more lighters, backup pair of glasses. Oh, and it does have this compartment in the front compartment right here that has little pockets. This is kind of interesting if you're kind of a techie. There is a whole set of operating systems on this stick drive. You can plug it into your laptop, surf the web anonymously. When you log off or shut the laptop down, it erases everything that was on the stick drive. So basically you're anonymous on the web. It also has the Onion browser, and I'm pretty sure you know what that can be used for. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's get to the top section, or the back section, real quick. On the top of the back section, I just got a simple little LED light so I can see to unzip the zips when it's dark. This back section is the survival section, where all the survival gear is. There's enough stuff in here to last at least a day and a half to get me home. First, we have my specialized med kit. We've got ibuprofen, Tylenol. What else is in here? Benadryl, other little bitty bandages, cortisone, big gauze pads, and assorted items. Okay, let's get to those in a minute. This goes along with the cook set, which is simply a hospital towel I liberated many moons ago, and of course another long handle spoon. Full size toothbrush. I don't know why I carried it in this package, let's say. A couple of emergency blankets. This right here is going to be wet ones for the poop kit, and then along with the poop with that, we do have the poop kit itself. Side note, toilet paper makes an excellent fire starter. Speaking of that, we have 2 egg drop fire starters. Of course, 550 Ziploc. Getting into the food items. Now, I carry these in old drink mix bottles or containers, and I do that for the reason is if you put the carb bars or protein bars in your pack or whatever you're carrying in your E.D.C, they squish down, they squish the bars, they're very uncomfortable to eat. But I've got several different carb bars in here. It is a very, very good idea. Once every, I want to say 3 to 6 months, go in there and check the expiration date on your food items just to make sure. Speaking of food items, I've got an entire setup here. I've got my Mountain House meals, foil, little mints. These I use for sugar boost. There's 2 Mountain House meals in there. There's oatmeal, hot chocolate. Then it needs to be replaced. Tissues, more oatmeal. There's a day's worth of food in this little packet, so it'll get you home. What the hell is that? Getting sidetracked, I am very sorry. All right, just a basic little compass, not very expensive. More flashlights. You cannot have enough flashlights, trust me, friends. And the batteries in these things last forever. Dental floss. Besides obvious uses, you can use this to set traps and, you know, make a perimeter defense system, a real easy one. This here, I don't know where the hell it came from, but we got a bottle opener, a somewhat sharp blade, and a corkscrew, just in case you want to get that cold bottle of wine when you're out there running from the man. Okay, I thought that was funny. Anyway, the real reason I got it is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's basically a flamethrower. All right. 2 important items. I always carry 2 blades with me at all times. Well, actually 3, because this is my everyday carry right here. This first one, just a smaller blade for basically cutting cordage and all that good stuff. Oh shoot, that is very sharp. This second one here is designed for other. And if you want to use this particular blade for bushcrafting, I highly recommend not sharpening the top piece of this. Because if you go to pecan wood and you miss and your hand goes or finger goes across there, it's gonna be slightly painful. But this is the blade I carry in the bug out bag. I'm pretty sure it's a CRKT. But once again, don't sharpen that top piece. And I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you know why I did that. Alrighty then, there's been a look at my E.D.C, my everyday carry. If you have any questions or you want to add or subtract something to my kit you think I'm missing, or even tell me what you're carrying with you, that would be awesome. And like always, friends, thanks for watching. I can't help myself. I've got to do it. This is very childish, but it's going to be funny to me. All right. If you look Right there, zoom it in. We have a deer stand, and yes, it is deer season. Yes, I am on public use land. We're allowed to do that. Now over here, dun, 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 we have the trail cam. See it? Right there. All right. I'm gonna lean over the tree and look into it and have it take my picture. I know, it's stupid. And here we go. Gotta do it one more time just to make sure. Is that? Oh shit, it's Wi-Fi. It's not Wi-Fi, but it's cell based. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is get out of here before somebody shows up, is I'm gonna grab my gear, I'm gonna hike all the way around up that way and out of the view of the camera so they can't see what direction I came in. We're almost to the back side, I guess the front side you would say. And there's the tree stand. Alright, yonders. And then zoom out. The trail cam, which you can't see, is right over there, which is a good thing. Alright, my plans are to cut through there, then head back up to the mountain there. Can't believe I did that. That guy's gonna, oh, and I found this, somebody's blanket. It's a little weird. I'm thinking there was some hanky-panky going on out here. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up, friends. Y'all have a great day.